Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to change Instagram name without waiting for 14 days. So let's start the process. First of all, open your Instagram app. After it opens, simply tap on your profile icon and here tap on the option edit profile. Now let's try to change this name from this to this. So when I will tap on this tick sign which is at the right top and again I am tapping on the same tick sign. So Instagram says you can't change your name at this time because you have changed it twice within 14 days. What we can do now? Simply again tap on this tick sign and take a screenshot. After taking the screenshot, go back and tap on these three lines which are at the right top. From here tap on the option settings and privacy. Scroll it down and tap on the option help. From here tap on the option report a problem. So shake phone to report a problem is on, so I need to shake my phone. Now simply tap on report a problem, tap on include and continue, and here explain your problem like I am explaining. You need to write the same like I am writing. So as you see, I mentioned my previous Instagram name and also the new one. So after writing your problem, simply tap on this upload sign. So as you see, I selected the same screenshot which I have taken. So after writing and uploading the screenshot, tap on this send icon. So now my report has been sent to Instagram and they will contact me within few days. So after they will contact you, they will surely change your Instagram name and you no need to wait for next 14 days. So by this way, you can change your Instagram name without waiting for 14 days.